morning, people. Okay, and I hope you all had a beautiful and lovely Mother's Day. Um, I know I did. I went over to my mother's and I put just some chicken drumsticks and breast and a couple thighs on her grill, just so she wouldn't have to cook. I made a beautiful batch of fresh kale, and I made a macaroni salad for the young ones. And of course they wanted their cornbread, which was lovely. I had a great time. My mother went to the Kingdom Hall while I stayed there at the house, and I made everything up. My window, they tell me this relay belt or whatever is off, but I don't know if you guys can hear that in my engine. It's not my engine. They say it's a belt. It started yesterday when I was about to leave my mother's. This belt is just making this terrible noise, and my car has over, let me check, 159,066 miles on it. So, and she's a 2010. She's getting me from point A to point B, but it seems to always be something. So I'm gonna go check this belt out and see if that's what it is, and get them to top off my oil. My son put some in, but he said, "Mom, still go and get it checked. I may have put too much, too little, etc., etc." And you know, you can always go back to your the places that changes your oil, and they're there to top you off with whatever you may need. Windshield wiper fluid, which I do. I know this out the way. It tends to, whenever I push it, it seems to all run out, and I hear this sound. So it's always something, but those seem to be minor things to me. You know, a girl can only do what she can do at the time. You guys hear that? Oh my God, I hope it's nothing major. You know, if you followed me, I just got new tires. First, I got used tires, which weren't no good. I had to go back a week later, ask my mother for help, get new tires. And so, I mean, it's always something. Actually, I'm the second owner of this car. Believe it or not, it was a little old lady who only drove it on Sundays, because the old place that I go to, when I took it back, I looked at the sticker that was on my windshield, and so I went back to the same place. And they said, sure enough, we know this car, and we know the lady who owned this car, and we took good care of it for her. So I still go back to the same people that changes the oil. So I had definite verification on, not just word of mouth from the mechanic who sold me the car, but from people who knew the history of this car. So everything that tends to be going wrong with her is actually the original parts. So after, good grief, this isn't good at all. Anyway, after all these years of having her, I mean, I keep her tuned up. I keep her the oil changed every 3 months. And she runs beautiful when she's well taken care of, like me. So I just had to put that one in. You guys know me. I got a great sense of humor. Can't let life get you down. So we keep it light and simple. So first, I gotta go get some money out the credit union, just in case. I always have to pay something out of pocket with my little twos and fews. So, although I should be going straight to the oil place, but the credit union is far. So I'm going to do that first just in case. Because I had my plans for today to do what you have to do, my normal Monday routine, but like I said, it's always something. So I have to take care of this first before I'm able to do my daily Monday routine. Anyway, so I just want to keep you guys abreast on what's going on with my life as a senior, dealing with my daily challenges. But, I watched a broadcast yesterday about our centennials. We're seniors, but we actually have a lot of centennials who's still on this planet, who got it all together. They're 101, 102, all the way up to 107. And my God, they got it on the ball. So my praises to them, I tell you. You can't ask for more. And they say, what's your secret to growing, aging so gracefully? And they say, hey, I go to sleep, wake up, another day is here. And I do what I got to do. I get up like everybody else. I don't know, I got this shadow. That's my headphones, people. Excuse me. Putting a shadow on us. I got just this. Okay, how's that? Better? Anywho. So, that's my plans for today. Let's just hope my car make it from point A to point B to get the care that she needs. Ain't that right, Daisy? My granddaughter named her Daisy. We always tend to name our vehicles. Do you guys hear that? And she, oh my gosh, she's jerking and everything. Anyway, I'm not going to bore you with all of this. I'll conclude and let you know what goes on with me later on with the car. I will keep you updated. There's some air here. And hopefully it's an easy fix. Okay? I hope your life is going beautifully and happy today. Keep it light, but keep it going. Because if you don't use it, you lose it. Look at this car coming so fast. Patience. What was our lesson the other day? Patience is a virtue. So we live by that. Hey, the world continuously go round and round and round. So there's no rush. Just be patient and you live a little longer. Okay, so if you guys would like to contribute and buy me a coffee, which I definitely need in the morning, okay, to get my day started, you can go to buy me a coffee. But please like and subscribe, and definitely continue to let me know where you're seeing this channel from, what country you're from. I appreciate you guys so much, and I love hearing about all of these places that my channel is being viewed. It's a beautiful thing. Okay, so let me park here before I sign off. Okay, got my seat belt on. See? Okay. Click it off. Park. She's still making that sound. I'm gonna see. Let me see if you guys can hear this sound, and see if you got any. You hear that sound? Do you guys have any idea what it may be? Leave in the comments and let me know. I will really appreciate it. So until then, I get with you cats later. Stay sweet.